1.4 million coins, but I'm not gonna sell them. I'm gonna keep my bench because I like having a bunch of items on my bench. I don't know about y'all, and I like having a lot of coins, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I'm about to do the top secret thing I'm about to show y'all right now. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to my auctions, and I'm gonna show y'all something that, and boom, that's what I just showed y'all. My silver player sold for 1 million freaking coins, ladies and gentlemen. And see if I get my coins. Come on, Mello, come on, baby. And I want to say, bam, I'm out.